change. So, let me introduce myself. My full name is Arasi Sadeka, but you can call me Arasi. I'm from Humaydi class. Hello everyone, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm good, I'm great, I'm wonderful.
Okay, let me share something about just me. Ladies and gentlemen, in a world where everyone is trying to be big, it can be hard to remember the simple truth. You just be you. You don't need to change yourself to please others. You don't need to act like someone else to feel safe. The best thing you can do is to be yourself, honestly, confidently, and genuinely. When you try to be someone you are not, you may feel tired or lost. But when you choose to be yourself, you feel free and you feel comfortable in your own skin. So, don't wear a mask or pretend to be perfect. Your real thoughts, your true feelings, and your unique personality are make you special. Not everyone will like you, and that's okay. There are people who love and respect for who you really are. When you are yourself, you will attract